In today's fast-paced world, the integration of AI tools into our daily lives is not just a trend, it's a game changer. Imagine surviving 24 hours using only AI tools. Sounds intriguing, right? From streamlining mundane tasks to enhancing productivity, AI has the potential to revolutionize how we approach both our personal and professional lives. Whether you're an entrepreneur looking to scale your business or someone seeking to boost your daily efficiency, AI can be your secret weapon. By leveraging AI, you can develop high-income skills that not only elevate your career but also open doors to passive income opportunities. Picture this: automating your marketing strategies, optimizing your investments, or even creating content with minimal effort. The possibilities are endless. In this video, we'll explore how you can harness the power of AI tools to not just survive, but thrive in a 24-hour challenge. Get ready to discover practical applications that can transform your life and help you achieve financial freedom. So, buckle up and let's dive into the fascinating world of AI. In the realm of productivity and efficiency, AI tools have emerged as indispensable allies for both individuals and entrepreneurs. Let's take a closer look at some popular options like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Notion AI. ChatGPT is a conversational AI that can assist with everything from drafting emails to brainstorming ideas, making it a versatile companion for daily tasks. Jasper, on the other hand, specializes in content creation, helping users generate high-quality written material quickly and effectively. This is particularly beneficial for marketers and bloggers looking to maintain a consistent online presence. Notion AI integrates seamlessly into the Notion workspace, enhancing project management and note-taking by automating repetitive tasks and organizing information intuitively. By utilizing these tools, you can streamline your workflow, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, growing your business. However, it's crucial to select the right tools tailored to your specific entrepreneurial needs. Not every tool will suit every task, so understanding their functionalities can significantly impact your productivity. By choosing wisely, you can harness the full potential of AI to elevate your daily operations and achieve your goals. Planning your day effectively can be a game changer, especially when you leverage AI tools to streamline your scheduling and task management. Start by using AI-powered scheduling assistants like Calendly, which can help you find the best times for meetings without the back-and-forth emails. Once your meetings are set, turn to task management tools like Trello and Todoist. These platforms allow you to create boards and lists that visually organize your daily activities, making it easy to track progress and deadlines. When using these tools, it's essential to prioritize tasks that align with high-income skills. For instance, if you're focusing on content creation or digital marketing, allocate dedicated time slots for these activities. You can even set reminders and deadlines within these tools to keep you accountable. By integrating AI into your daily planning, you not only enhance your productivity but also ensure that your efforts are directed toward activities that yield the highest returns. So, take a moment to map out your day using these AI tools, and watch how it transforms your workflow and overall success. In the digital age, content creation is vital for businesses looking to engage their audience and drive sales. AI tools have emerged as powerful allies in this process, making it easier than ever to generate high-quality content. For instance, writing tools like Copy.ai and WriteSonic can help you create blog posts, social media updates, and marketing copy in a fraction of the time it would take manually. These platforms use advanced algorithms to understand your requirements and produce tailored content that resonates with your target audience. But content creation isn't limited to text. Graphic design also benefits from AI, with tools like Canva offering user-friendly interfaces and AI-driven features that simplify the design process. You can create stunning visuals for your brand without needing extensive design skills, allowing you to maintain a professional appearance across all platforms. Moreover, the potential for passive income through automated content generation is significant. By setting up systems that continuously produce engaging content, you can attract traffic and generate revenue with minimal ongoing effort. Embracing AI in your content creation strategy not only saves time but also opens up new avenues for income and growth. In the competitive landscape of entrepreneurship, leveraging AI-driven marketing strategies can set you apart from the crowd. Tools like HubSpot and MailChimp are at the forefront of this revolution, offering features that optimize your marketing efforts. HubSpot's AI capabilities help automate lead generation and customer relationship management, allowing you to focus on nurturing relationships rather than getting bogged down in administrative tasks. Meanwhile, MailChimp uses AI to personalize email campaigns, ensuring your messages resonate with your audience and drive engagement. One of the most significant advantages of AI in marketing is its ability to analyze customer data. By harnessing insights from customer behavior, preferences, and demographics, you can create targeted campaigns that speak directly to your audience's needs. This level of personalization not only increases conversion rates but also fosters brand loyalty. Encouraging viewers to leverage AI for building a strong online presence is essential. By utilizing these tools, you can enhance your visibility, engage effectively with your audience, and ultimately drive sales. Embracing AI in your marketing strategy is not just a trend, it's a necessity for entrepreneurs looking to thrive in today's digital marketplace. Managing finances effectively is crucial for both personal and business success, and AI tools are here to simplify the process. Tools like QuickBooks and Mint are excellent resources for budgeting and expense tracking. QuickBooks automates invoicing, payroll, and financial reporting, making it easier for entrepreneurs to keep their finances organized. Mint, on the other hand, helps individuals track their spending, set budgets, and monitor their financial health in real time, providing valuable insights into where their money goes. Understanding financial analysis is key to achieving passive income goals. By utilizing AI-driven analytics, you can identify trends in your spending and investment patterns, allowing you to make informed decisions that align with your financial objectives. This analysis can help you pinpoint opportunities for growth and areas where you can cut costs. Encouraging viewers to automate their financial processes using AI is essential. By setting up automated systems for tracking expenses, generating reports, and managing budgets, you free up valuable time to focus on strategic financial planning. Embracing AI in financial management not only enhances efficiency but also empowers you to reach your passive income goals with confidence. Reflecting on my 24-hour journey using AI tools, I can confidently say it was both challenging and rewarding. The effectiveness of these tools in managing daily tasks was evident from the start. From scheduling meetings with AI assistants to generating content with writing tools, I found that my productivity soared. However, I also encountered unexpected challenges, such as occasional misinterpretations by the AI, which required me to step in and make adjustments. One of the most surprising benefits was the time saved on repetitive tasks, allowing me to focus on more strategic aspects of my work. I also discovered new features within the tools that I hadn't previously utilized, enhancing my overall experience. This journey has encouraged me to think critically about how I integrate AI into my daily routine. I urge viewers to reflect on their own experiences with AI tools. Have they streamlined your tasks or presented challenges? By sharing our insights, we can better understand the potential of AI in our lives and continue to optimize our workflows for greater success. Now, I encourage you to engage with this content. If you found the insights valuable, please subscribe to the channel for more tips and strategies on harnessing AI in your entrepreneurial journey. Don't forget to like this video and share it with others who might benefit from these tools. Your support helps us create more informative content that empowers you to thrive in today's digital landscape. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.